peeps, welcome back to Karen Gloves. So we're going to do a makeup tutorial. It's going to be fall vibes, and we're going to be doing a NikkieTutorials, Beauty Bay Palette. And let's get into it because I tried to do a look again today and it did not go my way. You probably can still see it on my face right now, but it's okay. So we're not going to be using any foundation today because I don't feel like doing all that nonsense. But we're going to do a cute fun look today. But we're going to be using some highlight, some blush, and of course some cute mascara. So let's get started, shall we? Move that out the way. Alright. I tried to do 5 a.m. in slasher because I thought that would be cute. Okay. So, alright. So I tried to clean my brushes again because, I just ruined them with all those colors I was doing. Okay. I'm going to try a different color now that I got that on out of the way. This is a cute base color right here. Going in with a Familia, I think it's how you say it. Can't really see it because I got this like literally the color on my skin. Kind of. Trying to get more. I'm just so mad that didn't work. Cause I was hoping it was going to work. Cause I was really hoping that the color was gonna work when we start. I have an itch on my nose. I don't know if this is brown or yellow, but I'm looking. Kind of looks like a brownish yellowish. I hope you guys can see it. I'm sure you can because it's like got the light, but it's so dark and gray outside. It's really fall weather. And eyebrows. Sometimes wrinkles in there, but we need to get them trimmed. Alright, now we have like a base going on right now. What happened? Sunny vibes. That's what it looks like so far. Just gonna go in with I'm going with 5 a.m. the original color that I was gonna go in with the first place. Flavor some. Good. Yeah, it kind of like works with that like base color. Not long. I mean, it kind of works with like that base. Get a little bit more brownish, you know. Trying to be careful because like that brown like color can like change colors if you're not careful. If it gets wet, like it will change colors. So I'm like trying to be careful. So I'm just gonna use my hand and like get it to go away. I don't want it to be my eyebrow though. But I don't want it to. I mean, I think it looks really good. So I don't want it to be in my eyebrow. It's in my eyebrow. Literally. It's in my eyebrow. Oh, that's weird. That's weird. My eyes are so bad. My eyebrows are so bad right now. Anyways, that looks good. I'm going with it. Alright, now we need the top. Gosh, should go with it. There's this. Oop. No, not the one. Ew. Let's go with underground. Ooh, no. Let's do. Does it say rocks again? I don't know. How you say that? Sorry if I don't know how to pronounce some of these things. I'm sorry. Yeah, well, that one was so smoothie. Smoothie. It's okay. Sometimes I'll just go in and I'll smooth it out a bit. Okay. Looks so good though. I like it. I think it turned out pretty good. So next thing I'm gonna do is do like, actually I'm gonna make it quick because it's only 11 minutes left, y'all. Huh? Flush. I'm still trying to figure this out, so no hate on me, okay? No hate. No hate. I don't know my other brush wrench. So. Should I make sure it's blended in this time? So first time I did it, I didn't realize it was not blended in right. I said, that was the first time I used it, so. Let's see. I think I did it. I think. I'm still getting used to it. Okay. I don't need that no more, so we can put that away. There we go. Sorry. Ah! These away too. I'm gonna go do this because it's gonna take a minute. I love Kat Von D's mascara. It's so bomb. Alright. Got that hair in my hair. Don't pay attention to anything that looks horrible right now. I'm trying to hurry so you guys can see the look. I'll fix it later. It's hard to see it because the lighting is horrible in here. And I do mean horrible. It's hard to see it. Okay. Alright. Alright. That feels good. Make sure it looks good. Side. Pretty good. I'm gonna go this. Needs to get more. Maybe right here. Match this side because it's got some in the crease of the. That's you know the. Down, get my down. Okay. All right. Oh, I'm scared. Oh no, I'm gonna clean that out now. Okay. Oh no, I see it. Okay. Alright. Okay. Tell where the thing is, so. Alright. think I did spray myself in the eye. I see it. It's like water. Alright, so ignore the water. Sorry. Anyways, I think it turned out really good. I think it looks awesome, y'all. Ooh. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. That's all. Check out the blog down below in the description below, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!